We got the Cyber Monday deals. This is the daily deals as well. It's kind of mixed in. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook for more to deals, price glitches. Some really, really good ones, especially if you're in the Milwaukee platform. Just solid deals. All right, so let's go ahead and start. So we got a half an inch high torque impact wrench. This is a 5 amp hour battery, and plus it does include a forged battery as well. And this is $349, killer deal on that one. You got the oscillating tool. This is multi-tool. The fuel it does come with the 5 amp hour battery, $199. This is the 9 tool combo kit with 2 batteries, charger, and a tool bag or a case. Most of these are older technology. I'm not gonna say they're brushless, but they are older technology, and they're $5.99 a piece, or for the set. You got another good one is this one. This was a 3/8 6-point socket set, 43 piece, $84. Usually we see this for $99. Here's a hammer drill, 2 5s charger in the case, and plus you are getting a forged 8 amp hour battery for $299. That's a solid deal. Same thing with these, especially the M12s, guys. You're gonna see a whole big discount on these because they will be including that new 5 amp hour high output battery with this kit. So this is a really good one. $159, solid deal. If you're planning to invest in this line, now is the time. So really good ones. You get a 2 combo kit, the 2 5s charger in a case. Plus, it does include an angle grinder for $369. Here's a cordless jigsaw with the high output 5 amp hour starter kit. $159, solid deal on that one. Same thing with this, very good deal. They got the subcompact impact driver drill. You got 3/8 ratchet, 2 batteries charger in a case, $169. Very good deal on that one. 12-inch dual bevel sliding compound miter saw kit does come with the forged battery according to what it says right here. So $699. That's a really solid deal on that one as well. Yeah, we do not see that miter saw on sale all the time, especially with that battery. You got a 18 gauge double cut metal shear, 5 amp hour battery and charger. So that's $199. Drill bits at 30 piece, $29.97. You got a palm nailer kit, $149. Here's a shears high output battery, $159. Solid deal on that one as well. You got a mid torque impact wrench, 3/8 ratchet combo kit, 2 5s charger, and plus a smaller battery for the M12 for $469. Let's see here, $369. Pretty good deal on that one with the inflator. We got this one as well, $349 with the reciprocating saw, the jigsaw. Those are solid deals, guys. Cause that usually we see that just without the free or without the extra tool. You got a half an inch drive metric and deep impact socket set with a pack out case, $159. There's another one with the router, $349. Another one with the blower, $349 as well. All right, you got the fan with the light. So this is a really good deal because that's fans usually around, I believe the lowest we've seen it is $99. But with the light for $29, I think that's a really good deal. 700 lumen. And the whole dozer 21 piece, $89. Oscillating blade set 8 piece, $34.97. Here's another 28 piece whole dozer, $129. Impact duty bit driver 100 piece for $49.97. Let's see here, guys. This is a killer deal for the impact wrench if you're planning to invest in a 3/8 impact wrench. Guys, a lot of you keep asking me, where's the stubby 3/8 impact wrench? Everybody has the half an inch already. $159, guys. Killer deal. Go for this one. This one's it's gonna fly off. It's gonna sell out. It does come with the 5, and it's $159, very cheap. $189. This is the mid torque impact wrench. It's a really good deal. We don't see this below $200. Usually it's like 250 to something like that. Same thing with this one. This was the Gen 3 3/8 compact impact wrench. However, if you're planning on deciding between this one and the stubby, go with the stubby. This one has a lot more power. Unless you just want to keep it on the M18, go with the 189. You got the 4.5 5-inch angle grinder with kit 149. Killer deal on that one, guys. That's a killer deal. Same thing with this one. Really good deal. Killer deal with the uh, grease gun. High output 5 amp hour battery 159. Same thing with this. Really good 159 with that high output. Guys, if you want to stock up on these babies, get them now. They're 259, guys. This kit is, I believe, was 299, if I'm not wrong. 259. Go get them if you want to stock up on these. Get them now, because I believe I bought some, and they were 299 with the buy one get one free. So they're $40 cheaper. Stock up on these now before they sell out. That's crazy. All right, so we got this polisher, D8 polisher with the 5 amp hour starter kit, 199, 100 reciprocating install, 149. Killer deal on that one. You got this 1-inch SDS rotary hammer with the high output battery. That's a really good deal, 289. So there's a lot of good deals. You got the pin nailer, 159 with the high output battery. Here's the heat gun, 149. Guys, if you're planning to invest in this heat gun, now's the time. Let's come with the 500 charger. 239. This is a really good deal as well. Super saw with the 8 amp hour battery. This is a really solid deal. 229. Same thing with this one. The grinder is a 4.5 6-inch grinder. The bandsaw 329. Very good deal with that 8. You got the 5-inch random orbit sander and the charger 199. 3-inch random orbit sander with the high output battery 159. The dual port charger 329 does come with two 8 amp hours. It's hard to see. Yeah, 2 8 amp hour 2-pack 329. Now this one I believe, yeah, it's a little cheaper. I believe it was 350, so it's $20 less. Let's see here what else. So the polisher is with the starter kit 159. A circular saw. A lot of you like the circular saw. This one's 199, so a good deal, $100 a piece. You got the top off with the 5 amp hour battery and a charger, 149. Solid deal on this one. It's not the usually. I think they had the Black Friday one with the 3 amp hour for $99, but this one's solid because it's a 5. You get the barrel style jigsaw, 5 amp hour starter kit, 199. A 30-degree framing nailer, 369 with the 5. Here's a 21-degree framing, 369. Plunge cut saw, 349. 18-gauge compact brad nailer, 229 with some glasses. What is this? Cordless duplex nailer, only 399. Here's a new clamp light. This is a really good one. 2,000 lumens, 5 amp hour battery. Starter kit 149. Good deal. Solid deal. You got a blower 6 amp hour, 6 amp hour batteries, 285. Now these are the older batteries. Remember, guys. You got the pack out case, a 3/8 1/4-inch SAE metric ratchet. Socket set 219. Here's those vacuums. This is the dual battery wet and dry shot bag with the 12 amp hour kit. These are two 12 amp hour batteries and a dual port charger. 619. I believe this is not the pack out. This is not the new one, but it is the big dual battery one. 259. The top handle, 14-inch chainsaw. You get a net. It looks like an edge trimmer kit. Powered, 8 amp hour forged battery, 2-pack of 8 amp hour forged batteries, 449. You got the same thing with the chainsaw, 439 with the 2-pack You got a 12 and an 8. That's a lot of battery right there. Uh, this one does come with the 12 amp hour battery, high output battery, the older technology, but still very expensive battery, 549 with the pulse saw. Here's a blower with 4 batteries, 4 12 amp hours, 2 dual bay chargers, 899, 369 for the 153 piece mechanic tool set. Here's a plier set, 59 bucks, 5 piece. A low profile hard hat lamp 2 pack, $89. Mechanics tool set 28 piece, $89. Wet and dry vacuum 5 amp hour battery 139. Let's see what else. We got some pliers, 13 and 1 multi tool, $55. Let's see, whatever you guys. Pack out compact organizer 15 piece, 119. Here's a pack out compact organizer 15 piece, 119. These are ratcheting or combination wrench set. Here's a free flex insulated jacket, $79. Let's see what else. What is this? This is a 1/2 inch, 2 inch pipe uh, machine kit. That's 7 G's right there. Let's see what else. It's all the can tools and specialized copper press toolkit. Socket Mechanics pack out case, 32 piece, $89. Here's another vacuum, $569, dual battery. Looks like that's it. So mainly it's gonna be the first ones. That stubby guys, killer deal. I'll leave you guys all the links down below in the description section of the video if I can find them. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.